There is no price increase for basic necessities and prime commodities up to May 10. Actually, nagmi-meet po kami ng manufacturers and retailers on a weekly basis. Last week hanggang April 30, yung naging, actually in the first part, no, April 16. And then when we met again, naging April 30. And then when we met again last week, May 10 naman. So again, magmi-meet kami this incoming week and then i-update ulit namin yung mga consumers kung ano yung napag-usapan namin. So, now, because of this crisis and because of the situation, kailangan talaga we work very closely together with the manufacturers as well as the retailers para talagang alam namin kung ano yung sitwasyon din nila. At the same time, they also know ang utos ng presidente na dapat we keep the prices stable, meaning hindi gagalaw yung prices ng basic necessities and prime commodities. So, next week po, i-update ko din ulit yung publiko kung ano yung naging usapan namin and ano yung magiging hakbang ng next after May 10. But for now, there's no price increase for basic necessities and prime commodities. This is the list. May listahan po ang DTI ng 205 SKUs or 205 products that are available in the supermarkets and groceries.
Basic necessities.
Yes, basic necessities.
Ito
Meaning
talaga yung kinakailangan para makakain ang isang pamilya.
Yes, tama po yun.
Alright, hindi pa ba sila umaaray? Sapagkat February 28, nung binoba ng Amerika ang Iran, tumaas ng husto. Ngayon, $88 per barrel. Umabot tayo ng kahapon, nagpa-gas ho ako. 100, bago ako umuwi sa bahay, pumunta ako sa isang gasoline station, 122. Karaniwan ng negosyante sinasabing yung logistics as low as 5 to as high as what? 20%, 15% ng kanilang produkto. Hindi pa ba sila umaaray?
Yeah, actually tama po yun, no? Nag-uusap talaga kami mansinsinan with all of the manufacturers. And of course, meron silang mga issues na nire-raise. Pero in the end of our meeting, nag-agree po kami that we must keep the price stable para maibigay naman sa ating mga consumers yung mababang presyo. Kasi utos po to sa akin ng Presidente that sabi ni Presidente BBM, make sure, Chris, that we keep the prices of food stable para sa ating mga kababayan. So, yun ang nagiging usapan namin. And naiintindihan din po ng mga manufacturers ito. This whole situation. So, there's really a cooperation now between the government and the manufacturers and including the retailers po.
Kasi kung sobra-sobra naman yung itataas, baka kukunti na ang bumili. Samantalang kung ganito lang ang presyo, mas mamimaintain pa rin yung volume ng mga namimili. Posibleng ganun din ho ba yun?
Possibly din yun. But ang ano talaga is the manufacturers really want to cooperate also with ang utos ni Presidente and also the situation now. Kasi most companies, marami naman ho silang produkto. So, usually, ang nasa BNPC lang ay 1 or 2 products. So, yun po, they try their best to cooperate and they also try their best to give the consumers kasi naintindihan din po nila yung situation ngayon.